welcome to my channel, Nelia Crazy. Happy Father's Day to all devoted fathers all over the world. And today, because it's Father's Day, I'm going to make a special dish. I'm going to make mashed potato with minced beef. Then we're going to bake it. I have here potatoes. I'm going to boil them and mash them later. Here it is, guys, my mashed potato. Actually, I grated them. I prepared to grate my boiled potato to have a good result. So I have here my mashed potato and then my mozzarella, about 1 cup. I have here my yogurt. I need to have 1 cup of yogurt, 1 cup of cream cheese, and then half cup of ricotta. So we're going to start now. Mix them all together into the mashed potato. Cream cheese. Ricotta, about half cup. 1 cup of sour cream. And then the mozzarella. Mix them together and set aside while we are cooking our minced beef. Mince properly until incorporate well. No need to put salt in here, yeah, because there's enough salt in the minced beef. I'm going to set this aside first while I'm cooking my minced beef. For my minced beef, I have here my half kilo of minced beef, my chopped button mushroom, garlic, and then 1 whole onions. Then half cup of oyster sauce, black pepper, and salt. That's it. Heat it up, guys. A little bit of olive oil. Just enough to saute the onions and the garlic. Garlic first. Next, the onions. Saute until the aroma comes out. Minced beef. Saute until the meat changes its color. Add the oyster sauce. Cook until the sauce reduces, but not dry, yeah? Black pepper. Add the mushroom before switching off the stove. Minced beef is ready. I have here my greased Pyrex. I put my beef. Flatten the beef. Cheesy slices on the top. You can choose also grated cheese, cheddar cheese, if you have available. But I have a lot of this. I have a lot of these cheese slices. So arrange them well. Mashed potato on the top of the cheese and the minced beef. Flatten the mashed potato. Put the grated parmesan, oh no, mozzarella on the top. And into the oven, please, for about less than an hour. Here it is, guys, ready to the oven. Here it is, guys. Luto na yung potato ko, baked potato with minced beef. Para siyang shepherd pie, kaya lang binake siya. Oo, yun na yun. It's just like shepherd pie, baked shepherd pie. My Father's Day special menu. Kain na tayo kasi hapon na. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!